Why are there not more people talking about how easy it is to set up a Gmail account for someone else? You don't have to be a tech whiz. I'll break it down for you in just a few minutes. First, open your internet browser and head to gmail.com. Click Create Account. Now, you'll see two options: choose for someone else. This is perfect if you're helping a friend, family member, or anyone who needs a hand. Next, fill in the details, the person's first and last name, and create a username that they'll remember. Remember, if a username's already taken, Google will suggest alternatives. Pick one or get creative. Now set a strong password and confirm it. You want this to be something secure, but easy for the person to remember. Write it down for them or use a password manager if needed. Click Next. Here you'll add a recovery email and phone number. This step is optional, but it's super helpful if they ever forget their password. Add their birth date and gender, then hit Next again. Google will now ask you to agree to their terms and privacy policy. Have the person you're helping review them, then click I agree. That's it. You've just created a brand new Gmail account for someone else. All that's left is to help them log in and show them the basics if they need it. So next time someone asks for help making an email, remember, you've got this. Easy, right?